Hello everyone, and welcome back to another healthy day. I am Hannah Ray. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cheese and broccoli bake. It is a really simple one-pan side dish, or you can throw in a couple of other ingredients like chicken or sausage, and you can make it a full one-pan meal. I discovered this recipe one evening. I knew I wanted us to have some broccoli. I didn't just want steamed broccoli or sauteed broccoli with butter, so I was like, hey, let's see if I can make a cheddar cheese sauce. So I started throwing things into a pan, melting it down, and lo and behold, that's what I got. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this dish. So the first thing you're going to need is to preheat your oven to about 400 degrees. You're also going to need a big baking dish, and then I layer in the broccoli, whether fresh or frozen, and then sprinkle on some chili powder and some garlic powder. Next, you're going to take a small saucepan, and in that you're going to put 6 ounces of cream cheese, full fat of course, because this is a ketogenic diet. Throw in 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and then as those start to melt together, you're then going to put in 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. This is going to give it kind of a creamier consistency instead of like a melted, cheesy consistency. Then once that's combined and smooth, you're going to layer that on top of the frozen broccoli in the pan. Finally, you're going to stick the whole pan into the oven, and you're going to bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okie dokie, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you super duper like it, you can subscribe. Alright you guys, I hope you have a fantastic week, and I will see you next time. Bye!